UniCure Spraybooths presents the installation of a new Zapper 1006 Downdraft side exhaust spray booth at Hilltoppers Speed Shop in Dixon, Tennessee. This project started with a new building. The UniCure team worked closely with the customer and builder to make sure the right specifications were in place for the new booth. Project-specific drawings were created, and the UniCure team collaborated with the customer to lay out their shop using a 3D model. The size of the building, roof penetrations, electrical and gas services were all discussed before the project started. The 1006 model comes with trifold product doors and a personnel door, all with large windows. The booth is powder-coated white inside and outside, adding a layer of protection to the metal and enhancing the light reflectivity. This booth is equipped with 12 LED fixtures for the latest technology in lighting. The LED fixtures are 5,000 Kelvin with a CRI greater than 90 and produce 7,500 lumens each. Downdraft side exhaust airflow gives you the benefits of a downdraft pit model without the concrete work and provides a clear floor instead of walking on grading. Inexpensive and quick change exhaust filters run down the base of each side wall. This booth has a workspace of 27 feet long by 14 feet wide and 9 feet high, providing room for extended cab trucks. The large windows in the product doors allow additional light while giving those on the outside the opportunity to see work inside. Hilltoppers was great to work with throughout this process. The high-end, high-quality shop does things right, and we're a great partner with UniCure. UniCure Spraybooths offer simple, reliable controls designed with the painter in mind. Our components are easily serviced and readily available on the market. The painter controls the airflow by adjusting the VFD to maintain balance and achieve the optimum painting experience. UniCure air makeup systems, or heaters, allow flexible placement in the space. For Hilltoppers, the heater was suspended from the ceiling to allow for more floor space inside the shop. UniCure heaters are direct fired with fresh air from outside passing over the flame and then discharged into the booth. UniCure's split duct system delivers consistent airflow and temperature distribution throughout the booth, giving the painter the same experience from every position in the booth. UniCure would like to thank Hilltoppers for the opportunity to partner in this project. Here is what owner David Cote had to say about the experience. Being a shop that focuses on high-end restorations, it was very important for us to choose a booth that would allow us to attain the highest quality paint jobs possible for our customers. We feel we have achieved that with our UniCure booth. He also said, communication was excellent throughout the entire process. The finished product is amazing. I would highly recommend a UniCure booth to anyone who is looking for a professional, reliable, and customer-friendly process, delivering a high-quality and affordable paint booth. For more information on how UniCure can partner with your next project, visit our website at spraybooths.com or give us a call at 615-889-3330.